lets you all join.
It does. It does.
Okay. Do I need to approve you, or are you just getting in?
I'm just getting in.
Okay, yeah, looks like you guys are just in. Oh.
Am I not supposed to start my own stream?
You are, but the stream together will share the chats. That way, all 5 of us can have, everybody can be a part of everybody's things and so on. That's all it'll do.
And then I mute my microphone in the shared thingy.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right.
Should I start streaming before accepting the thing, or does it matter?
I think it's fine either way.
Yeah, it should work either way.
Just oh yeah.
I sounded low. Is this a bit better?
I think if you jump up a little bit, I can hear you fine. But
how about now?
I think you're great. That's great. That should be great. That's on my end at least.
Cool. Yeah. Sorry, I'm also adjusting stuff last minute.
Cool. And we got ourselves a shared chat, friends. Let's go.
Oh hell yeah! Did my message come through?
Which one?
Oh, I see it.
Yep. Cool. So we've got everybody. That's wonderful. Okay, excellent. So Slim, are you ready to go? Did you get up and running?
I think so. So I guess I just need to start my stream, right?
Correct.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. I just start my stream here, and I muted myself on the shared one. I think that's what I'm supposed to do.
Right.
Yes.
You sound kind of far away suddenly in Discord, but
Oh. Okay.
I don't know if anyone else is hearing the same thing.
I'm hearing a little bit of quietness, but and then Fizzbuzz. Sorry, Fizzbuzz, are you going to be on streaming or no, or how do you want to do it?
Yeah. So I started stream. Could I get the shared together link again?
Sure.
It's just there in the Discord chat, but I can also invite you.
Okay.
How the hell do I pop out this chat? I need to.
I think it's in you an invite, Fizzbuzz. Oh, you're in. Okay.
There we go. Cool.
Who's on first? Okay, so let's go over the rules real fast if everybody's ready.
I'm not ready. How do I pop out this call from Discord?
Oh.
I need to be able to hit the microphone.
Where did they put that button?
To go to where did they put that button?
They moved it.
They moved. Yeah, I was gonna say I used to have one. Well, barnacles.
That's so weird.
I have mine on.
Maybe it only comes up with video calls. I don't know.
Oh yeah, there it is.
There's the pop.
I'm gonna
strange.
start a video that's gonna fail, and then I'll pop it out. And
there we go. Good.
Got him. Thank you.
Yeah, there you go.
Why would Discord do that?
You're welcome. I have no idea.
Okay.
I have no idea.
Technology.
Okay, so I think we're set. Right, so everybody has given me their preferred programming language. So I will now, let's put this on score sheet, because we need the official score sheet for our, just because we need bragging rights. I feel like this is important. Let me show you what is going on. So,
are you tracking scores?
I'll track it. Yep.
Okay.
So Slim, otherwise known as Slim, is going to be doing programming in Python.
Ooh.
Don will also be doing things in Python. I will be programming in Ruby. Phobos is going to go in Rust, and I salute you for taking the Rust approach for this one. And Fizzbuzz will be doing JavaScript. If there's any particular streamer you want to watch, go watch that one in particular. If you like a certain language, if you want to cheer any particular person on, but you can still do it in the comment chat. But we will each program our solutions on our own streams. Getting 5 things streaming at the same time is a hot mess that I wanted to avoid. So unless somebody knows how to do this, more power to you.
We're doing it right now. We are doing it right now.
We are doing it right now. I'm saying if I could get 5 programming windows on the same stream, I think that would be pretty wild.
Maybe you could do browser windows and share those, but yeah.
I think it's more than we need. Okay, so The idea here is we're going to do Mario Kart scoring, which is as follows. If you've not played Mario Kart, then for your benefit, for the first person to finish a full solution will get 15 points. Second place will get 12. Third will get 10. Fourth will get 9, and fifth will get 8 points. If you don't get a solution, we give you 0. Most points wins. May the best programmer win. We are allowing the documentation in your language, the official documentation. So if you have any if you have that bookmarked, you can use that. We are going through the 2022 Advent of Code. I have not looked at these problems, so I don't know if they're separated into A and B like they were last year.
Yeah, they are.
They are. Okay, so each one of these will have an A and a B. We're going to do the A part and then the B part and separate those. Okay. What we'll do is we'll give about.
So don't finish with A and go straight to B.
Don't start A. Yeah, exactly. That's right.
Okay. Wait. We do A and then we wait for everyone and then we do B. Okay.
Do we want to set an upper bound time limit for each one?
Yeah, probably a reasonable idea.
Okay. Should we say, I think 15 minutes after the first person finishes? Is that reasonable?
Yeah.
Slim, you okay with that, Don?
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay, cool. 15 minutes. So we'll go 15 minutes after the first person finishes. When you're finished, you just go in the common voice call and say done. I will be listening, but will not be speaking. I think that's the best way to do this. So I'll mute my mic. I'll be speaking to the people watching me, but I'll mute the common call so that I'll be listening. Okay?
Yeah, that's my plan too.
Okay. The other thing is I believe we should give ourselves 3 minutes of no coding time at the beginning of each prompt to give us time to process what's going on, get a strategy, and then coding time will begin.
Sounds good. Who's gonna do the timer? Do you have a timer?
I can get one, or if somebody else. I'm doing a lot, so if someone wants to take that on.
I have a timer solution.
Okay, cool.
I programmed it in Python.
Wonderful. Are people complaining about light and dark mode in chat?
Yeah, I'm showing your stream on my stream, and I'm getting called out for light mode.
Here, fine. I'll do it for the people.
No. It's me. It's me. Oh, maybe in your spreadsheet too, but I think Peachy's is talking about my Twitch.
There you go. If you want the dark mode, I'll do it just for you all. Slim, you had a comment.
So before knowing that we were gonna do this, I had planned to work with Waffle Walrus on something. So maybe around in half an hour, she will join me, and we will probably pair program or something.
That's fine. I'm good with that.
Sounds awesome.
So hopefully we'll be able to figure that out. And also, I'm not sure if I'm on the shared chat. I mean, I see a shared chat in the window that sent. But on my stream, I don't think I am, right?
I don't see your icon there. You're right. In the stream together, look on the right side. There's a shared chat button. You might need to opt into it or something.
Yeah, because the shared chat is on for me.
Okay. There is a shared chat there, and what should I do there?
Does it say shared chat is on or off?
Oh, and how can I put it on? Sorry, this is
just press it. Mine says it's on. I can show it on my. Well,
if I sent a message, hello, maybe it will automatically. I mean, I sent a message there.
Oh yeah.
You're
That's from my chat. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can turn it off and on maybe, but
maybe.
I mean, it's working for me.
So is there something?
Yeah, I think this works fine.
But Slim typed that from my chat. So
apparently.
I'll take a screenshot of what I can see.
All right. Yeah, sorry about that. I've never.
No problem. No. Don't apologize at all. Not at all.
Okay, so I put in the Discord chat. On the right side, I just have that shared chat is enabled button. Hopefully you have something else there that would let you join it.
All right. So there is Scene Streamer R&D at shared chat is enabled. Oh, okay. Let me see if I got that. Collaboration event. Join share chat. I guess that's what I need.
There you
go. Okay.
There you
Nice.
go. Now you should be Gucci.
So
Okay.
I'm gonna send just to test it. I'm gonna send a message. Yeah. Now I can see the combined chats.
You need more monitors, Zone? Yeah, I get you. I've got my 3 monitors set up here, but like I don't know. I've got my chat here, and I'm not watching any of the other streamers yet. Once I get into the once we finish a solution, then I'll probably go watch y'all solve it. Okay. All right. So, we ready?
Yeah.
Got everything figured out?
All right, let
Think
me know
so.
when I start this 3-minute read it timer.
Okay, so you can go ahead and open problem 1 and go ahead and read prompt 1A, and we're going to take 3 minutes starting.
Did you send a link with the problems?
They should be the Advent of Code 2022.
Okay, fine.
And you can see, I just put that in the chat.
Oh yeah, I made a pinned message. I guess it only pins it in my chat.
I'll pin it for me as well.
All right,
No machine language coders, yeah, unfortunately.
That would be the real challenge.
If hold on, could we get next time? We should get Matthew from.
Oh yeah.
Spence's book. We should get Matthew to do it for ASM for assembler.
Oh, that would be funny.
That'd be fun.
And so no coding yet?
No coding yet, just reading the prompt.
Okay.
Here we go.
Performance enhancing LLMs.
Yeah.
You caught me, Tinker.
We good for the reading?
Yep. Just to be clear, we're looking at calorie counting. That is the name of the prompt. So
Starting timer.
starting
now.
time now.
Okay.
Okay, I guess we're muting up now in Discord. Usually this intro isn't very important to the actual task, so I'm only skimming it. Yeah, Naman, thank you for your patience. Wait, the outside turns right down the number of calories contained by the various meals. Okay. This represents the calories of the food carried by the 5 elves. The hungry need extra snacks, they need to know which elf to ask. The elf carrying the most calories. Okay, this is a quick one. Shoot, we need to do this quick. Because this is very fast. It's really just reading in the input here. There's my input. See, now this is the first code I've written in months. Which means we're copy pasting from old code. Inpout. We don't want a split line. I think, can we just do int?
It's about 35 seconds.
Line. Oh wait, did I misunderstand? Shoot, am I not supposed to start coding yet? I think I just, I think I wasn't supposed to, start coding. I would give myself a little, like, penalty once the time actually starts.
Okay, we have 5 seconds. 2.
I'm
0.
not.
Okay, ready, set, code.
I accidentally started coding a little early. I'm gonna give myself a little penalty.
God.
I forgot. I'm not gonna write code for a few minutes.
Do what you want. Do what you want. I trust you. Okay, so we're gonna save our file.
That is my bad. I got a little too excited there. But hey, we can think about it. I guess in the meantime, I can catch up with Naman's comments. Yeah, Naman, that's been my impression of it. That's just kind of there to weed out students and not really make them learn. Okay, I'm gonna give another like 30 seconds and then I'm gonna start coding. Because the entire time was only 3 minutes, and I probably spent only half that time actually coding. So. God, I literally, we all agreed to that. I just, as soon as I read the actual problem, I just forgot. I was like, it's go time. How many extra calories are being carried? Find the elf carrying the most calories. How many total calories is that elf? Hey, Skirtle. Okay, I think that's enough of a penalty. I'm just gonna. I need to make sure that I'm getting what I think I'm getting. What the hell? Wait, why am I doing this? This one, so... Why aren't you doing anything? Oh my god. Hey Walter. Bruh. I'm already off to a bad start. Oh, I didn't save it! I forgot! Okay. That makes so much more sense. I didn't hit save on the input file. That was my issue. I haven't coded a single thing in months. I did not study for this competition. Okay, so now why doesn't int line work? That's my next question. Because this one is working. Oh my god. Why is this? Okay, let me just try blindly using that line. It doesn't have to be good code, it just needs to be functional code. Please keep it to English in the YouTube chat there.
I have finished.
No.
No.
Are you close? Are you close?
I'm like throwing, so.
However hard you're throwing, I'm throwing even harder.
Oh my god, say it ain't so.
Why does this not work? What? Get this out of here. How do I get rid of the stupid window? Close. List. For line in F, print line. Oh my god, because of do I just need to do that? No? Oh, because I need to skip the blank
Yay, done.
lines. That's my stupid. Oh my god. Okay.
Congrats.
Uh.
And I take third, it looks like. I got it.
Nice.
Uh. This is terrible, dude. Mouse, do you know how a competition works? I'm not supposed to use other people's code.
So I know, Fizzbuzz, you took second, right? And Phobos
Thank you,
took
Jed.
first.
So I'm told, yes.
Okay, good.
Number of events.
How do I safely figure out if something is a freaking integer?
Oh, what? Checking out Don's shirt?
Apparently I need to go check out
Oh,
Don's shirt.
yeah, I thought about how you always have the button-up shirt and tie, Zach, and so I figured the only way I can counter that is if I rock the Hawaiian shirt.
Hell yeah.
Well done. Well, I have to say that's something that a lot of my professors would wear. I'm somewhat envious.
So I bet we see chest hair. um. Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, Don, you got some advice. Don't forget those semicolons. Wink.
I'll try.
Is there even like usages for semicolons in Python?
Oh no, I don't think so.
I feel like you can, but only in a limited context.
I'm actually kind of a fan of semicolons. I'm not a fan of the whole like white space thing.
You chose the wrong language, Don.
I know. um, dude, I'm drawing a blank so hard right now. So it's gonna error once I get to a new line character is the issue. Can I? This is a terrible way of doing this. Okay, well, we have code that doesn't get an error at least. There's always 42. Thank you for the streak, Jed. So I feel like I'm actually adding things up. Okay, I'm just never hitting this statement for some reason. Sorry, Numan, I don't have time to read an essay. I'm a little bit busy if you can't tell. I appreciate your patience, but that's a pretty long comment, and this is a competition that's happening here. Why am I never... Like, oh my god, dude. I really just want, if it's not an integer, I physically don't know how to do that. What is in return if it's not?
Phobos, did you set a timer already for after the first person finished?
No, I was just doing the 3 before. I
Okay,
don't
that's
have
fine.
a general timer solution, but I can.
No, that's all right. I just don't know when you finish. That's all.
Oh, fair. I can do that too.
Okay, if you want to, I can if you want as well. But I think whoever's first, it would make sense. But that may differ for each prompt. So.
Yeah, for sure. Just 1 second. I will figure out solutions. We got technology.
You're fine. You're fine.
What'd you say, about 10 minutes?
I'd say about that. Yeah, about that's fine.
Okay, cool.
Hey, Give. So yeah, for Ghive's benefit, this is a coding competition with myself and the people who are like there in the title. Right now it's just down to me and Academy of Useful Ideas to finish this one problem, but we're basically going through problem by problem in a race to finish each one first. I'm really close. I just need to I just need to know why I'm not ever... Like, I'm never getting inside of that if. No, I am. Then why isn't it... Oh my god, I know why. I'm just structuring this wrong. Oh my god, I can't believe I just... I shouldn't be doing it like this. I just need to put this here. Now what's wrong? Current... Oh, shoot.
I will say I like the Dawn's Fortune that came out for Skirtle. You understand how to have fun with others. I like that.
Ah! I tried submitting my answer, but it was wrong. Too high. Oh, because I need to do that. "25 seconds. Ah! Hey, IVK. This is a coding competition with other math streamers. Now? 2 seconds. Big brain Tetris? Kinda, yeah, fun case. Ah, I got it, finally!
Good job.
Well
Congrats.
done. Well done. I was watching you do it. I've been cheering you and here.
I was stressing.
I'm playing Big Brain Tetris.
Sorry, guys. I'm not talking much because I'm like... Oh, the quick math? Stop, I completely missed that. It's 56. If you're close, it might be worth it to do it because we can't go on to part 2 of this question. Or I think you need to get your answer so we can go to part 2 of the question. But it's not a big deal to skip it.
Holy
We have
crap!
5
Thank you,
minutes
Tiny
left
Toxic
on the
Tofu.
timer.
I
Oh,
just got
wow.
a huge rate. 161 people. Holy
Welcome.
crap! Welcome on in, everybody. We're doing a programming competition with. Let me go switch over to my other view. Holy crap! Let me go.
Okay, yes, sorry, Naman. J is a really frequent topic that comes up here. And it's a little bit tired. But yeah, I'm just giving some time here so Zach can welcome in all the people from the raid. Tofu, thank you for the follow. I assume you're not listening through my perspective here, but thank you. Gee, every problem has multiple solutions like that when programming. That's true, yeah. What language do you use, GG Hive? I'm very rusty on programming. I haven't written a single piece of. This is my first piece of code in months, so this should have been like a very quick one, but ooh, VB, wow. I've done a little bit of VB. That's also true, Naman. I can get ahead here and make my file for the next question. 1.2.py. And I think it might use the same input file. I'm not sure though.
How are we doing on time, Phobos?
We have 2 minutes left, 1 minute, 55 seconds.
Cool. Excellent. And it looks like Slim's getting a solution. If you want to check out the Academy of Useless Ideas, that is Slim. We've got, looks like an answer coming very short. Very close.
Oh,
Slipping into Slim's stream right now. Oh, there's an ad, so 1 minute.
1 minute remaining.
Now you have to learn how my program is working at work so they can change it. I have a whole program commented. The problem is they don't know how to code. Oh no. Thank you, IVK.
30 seconds. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, and time.
I see, Slim, that you're typing in an answer real fast, because I think that's fair. You want to type in an answer.
My God, look at all this.
Thank you so much for the follow. Much appreciated. Welcome on in. We do anonymous follows here, so if you want to join us, you'll just say thank you for the follow. But I've been reading all your names. Thank you all for being a part of the community. If you want to join us and see what other stuff we do normally math, sometimes homework help, just math chatting. Come join us over in the Discord. I can also put, can we shout out the other Discords? Can we get the elements? Somebody? Been just talking about streaming stuff, but does anyone have an access to the elements? Maybe I can get it.
If EnigmaBot still works, I don't know.
I do. I can.
Oh, nice.
Can you do that?
Send that
and then,
out. Yeah.
And I think, Slim, if you want to shout out your Discord, this would be a good time. Just let everybody know what's going on in our math Twitchiverse.
Yeah, I'll do that. Sorry, I didn't realize that I was muted on the Discord.
You're fine.
Okay, so
Got
But
it.
yeah, anyways, yeah, I'll shout it in a moment.
Okay,
Trying
cool.
to get Walfrus to join, so
Okay,
maybe
Waffle's
maybe-
joining you.
yeah, probably yeah.
Cool. Pair programming is awesome. Love it. And we'll put Waffle on here as well. Waffle.
Is there a waffle among us right now?
I don't know. Is Waffle in the? We can invite Waffle if you want. This is going to be a pair. We just need to merge. Merge.
Merging pairs. Someone gave me some pear seeds recently.
Among us. Hey there, Waffle. Welcome on in.
Waffle, welcome.
Okay. All right.
All right, what are we doing?
Looks like Slim has an answer. Can you turn up a little bit, Slim? I just can't hear you.
I think Slim departed.
Slim has departed.
Slim was talking through the stream together.
Okay,
Oh.
that's why I couldn't hear.
Yeah, I can't hear that.
I can hear it. Now I can hear it.
I have absolutely no idea how to do that.
Okay,
I think it would be easier to get Waffle in here.
I agree. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll mute you for just a sec.
We had a recommendation from somebody in Don's stream that we should have spun a wheel to decide what languages to use.
That's
Ew.
actually real. That'd be interesting.
I would love it so much. And also, Don, oh no, you can't see that. Never mind. It was an ad on your stream because I'm watching your stream on like
Oh.
my monitor. And
So
it was like
I-
the same moisturizer I use. I'm like, Don, that's good. You should do that.
I was half expecting Fizzbuzz. I was half expecting you to use Lisp today, so I could call you like
Oh.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
You could have done it. I actually like the idea of having a miser. If we do this, come to.
Slim, can you hear me? It might be easier to just stick to Discord, and we could get Waffle on the Discord too, if that. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. It's just it's a little bit confusing for me right now because I can hear you through the stream together, but then I'm also listening to the Discord call, so I don't know how to do this better, but. Okay.
Should start task 2. Again, thank you all for being here. We're just trying to work out all of the. We had a sudden change here. Pair is going to be working.
Do one of you have Waffle as a Discord friend?
I'm checking.
If not, I'll add her
So?
quickly. But
That's fine.
I'm not able to add people to the group DM if they're not a Discord friend.
Yeah. I do not.
Waffle, say it ain't so. You're not my friend.
I was
Oh,
going to say this is a travesty.
I'm hurt. Low key.
Oh my goodness.
Unless I
Okay.
don't know how to spell.
Object. Somebody has in the chat object ADA. Object ADA. That sounds like a. Oh my gosh. I've heard of ADA. It's just been. I've never played with it, and that could be really. +1 for APL. Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Oh
so
my
we're
gosh, no
we'll have
APL,
this.
please.
This is gonna be like if we do this in 2020, like for the 2025 Advent. I think this could be really fun to try and do it, so that we all have a random language that's hopefully new. Because some of these I haven't played with at all. Okay, it looks like Waffle's joining.
Added waffle.
Welcome on in, Waffle. Here you are. You are live.
Waffle, welcome. Where's Slim?
All
There's
right.
Slim. No,
Okay.
Welcome.
Okay. So it took a while, but Walrus is with us, and now I need a different way of talking with Walrus independently.
Okay.
So, does anyone has any suggestions of not
We
of?
can, we can set up
uh,
a Google Meet separately, and then just
Yeah.
So yeah, that works. Do you have that Google Meet thing? I guess I do.
have, like
Meetgoogle.com. Yeah, thank you so much for all your patience with this. Yeah, like I think that.
Another.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
No, I'm just gonna say that I'm not even working as a comic relief right now. It's like, but now that, but now I have reinforcements. So I hope that with the
Okay.
reinforcements, things will go better.
Okay, so I don't think you got a solution, correct? Did you get
No, I
one
didn't
for-
get a solution.
Okay.
Didn't get
Okay,
a
good.
solution.
All right.
Yeah.
So we
We are
can.
we are gonna be like the underdog, you know. And everyone
You're
is
gonna be
gonna
Hey,
is gonna root for us because
as they
because
like
we are at the end.
as they like to say, anything can happen, right?
Definitely.
So anything can happen here. Just again, recapping the scores: Phobos at 15, Fizbuzz at 12, myself at 10, John at 9, and Waffle and Academy. I'm looking. So, okay.
All right. So, Walford, do you want me to do the meet, or do you want to do it to do the link?
it's making one right now. It's
Okay,
just like
okay.
taking forever to do.
Yeah, sometimes that happens.
Yeah.
Sometimes that happens.
Okay.
What
Shall
exactly
we,
is this event? I didn't really get the explanation.
For the problems or
What are we doing here?
okay, so
Eating for the
Zach,
gold.
Zach,
Feeding
do
them
you
reindeers.
do you want to explain it, Zach?
Yeah, so you're just going through tasks from the 2022 Advent of Code. We are on prompt 1B. So that's what we're going to be working on next. You'll have as much time as it takes for the first person to finish plus 50. And you get to work with Slim. Okay?
But by the way, since I didn't solve that one, is there any way that I can get to see the next one, or do I actually?
You can,
I
think.
I can. Okay.
I think.
Right.
Is that correct, Phobos? So can you see?
Is there a button to do it? Because we can
I
run
don't think so.
we can run your input through one of our programs, and then like
Yeah.
you'll get credit on the site, but like there's that. We can also
Or just skip to 2.
Judge it.
Or we can skip to 2. That's also possible.
So, but yeah, like I guess I can let me check, like because yeah, it's just a website, so I can do day 2. It starts with rock paper scissors. I haven't read
cool.
anything else. Is that
Oh,
or
it's no. So it would be day 1B.
okay? Let me see 1B. I can do 1B. Is that the link? No, not found.
Okay, so let's do 2A then. I think that's the reasonable thing. If for some reason we don't finish if all of us don't finish, we'll just move to the next. Okay?
Yeah, or as
Yeah, we can do
Paul
that.
says, I could just send my link, but I don't think it matters.
Okay.
By the way, folks, how did you input the input? Did you make a file and then read the file, or did you just copy your input?
That's how I did it. I copied the file. Yeah.
Okay, but
I
you
made
created
a
file in
text
your-
file and read that into the program.
or well, I guess different people may have different ways of doing it, right?
Yeah, for me it was a file.
Okay, so
Even
you
the
created.
sample input.
All right. All right. Allow. And let me see. I'm just okay. So yeah, I mean, I guess sorry, folks, but we can probably like yeah, if we can do the second one, that's fine. So that way.
I think that's reasonable.
All right. So the second one says rock paper scissors.
Okay. 3-minute clock.
Okay.
Start
Okay,
minutes.
Minutes are on the
no,
clock.
Wait,
give me a
for-
second because I need Walrus also to get on the same page.
And is this
Right.
for 1B or for 2?
2.
Okay.
Rock,
Okay.
paper, scissors is myself.
So Walrus, are you? Can you hear? I'm gonna mute myself. I just kind of want to make sure that she can hear me on the Google Meet. I'm gonna mute myself here.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not
Oh, so have we started?
talking. I'm just typing up a storm. I think we're still
No.
on pause. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm not sure. I'm still figuring technical details, but I mean, if you want to start the 3 minutes, that's all right. You know.
No,
It's
no,
up
I was just
to you.
checking.
Any ways are to derive the integral for secant of x? I mean, I guess there are probably a couple of ways, but like integration by parts or series. Probably a bunch if you go with trig identities and stuff. Oh yeah, that's the way you do it, Dr. L. Or I think it's in like you multiply through by tan x plus secant x over itself or something like that.
Okay, I think we got the issue solved with waffle walrus, and I think we might be quite ready to start. I think. By
Okay.
the way, okay, great. So I'm gonna just put. So now we are gonna read for 3 minutes, right? Is that correct?
When we get the signal, yes.
All right. So I guess now we are waiting for the signal.
Yep, we are. So Phobos, go ahead and give it.
3 minutes on the clock.
Okay.
And that's a go, right?
Time is on the clock. It's going.
Each to decide who's 10. Rock, paper, scissors. Each game contains many rounds. An encrypted strategy guide. Okay. Okay. Wait, you get more score depending on the shape you select? Okay, naman. First round, your opponent will choose rock A. You should choose paper Y. So and win for you with a score of 8. 2 because you chose paper. Plus, so what a weird way to score things. Okay. Okay, don't start programming. Do not start programming. I can start thinking. So maybe we want a 2-dimensional array.
About 50 seconds left.
And maybe I'll have to start. I mean, we don't need to. We don't need to do an array. We can do it round by round. How do we like? Can we systematically do this? Like, I don't have to do like 9 different cases. I think there's a nicer way of structuring this. Yeah, I think I can make just a...
5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
All right, coding time. Let's go.
Okay. Maybe wait. A, B, C. I'm thinking about this. Okay, so paper beats rock, scissors beats paper. Okay. I think I should just do it the stupid way. Hey, Jasu. How's it going? Okay, there's no blank lines in this. Gonna split it on space. Line 1, 0 is equal to stupid way. Doing it the stupid way. So A is rock. So if I play Y for paper, I win. If I play... Send the link to my paper on Discord? Hell yeah! I can't read it right now, but I'll definitely give that a read. Congrats. A is rock. Dude, I need to have a key at the top here. I can't remember which one is which. A rock, B paper, C scissors. And then XYZ. I'm pretty sure it does. Mangoes, yeah. I'm just incredibly rusty on coding, and I'm doing things a stupid way. um, I hope you're doing well. Yeah, just it's a bit hard to explain, but a link to the problems is in the pinned comments. If it's X, it's a draw and it's 3 points. Oh wait, I can calculate. You get points just for selecting a certain thing. Okay, you know what? Life hack. Just copy paste the prompt into here. Not insert. Okay. So in this one, I went and selected paper. So that's 6 plus 2. This one I draw and select rock. So 1. Else if it, I guess you need space in Python. Bloodborne lover. Thank you for the follow. Bloodborne's awesome. Wait, how the fuck do you do else if in Python? Python else if. Is it one word? It's elif? Oh, that's what. Oh my god, Jasu, that's what you meant. Why is it elif? Nice, Jed. Oh wait, otherwise I did scissors. Doing things stupid. Yeah, I've done Java, I've done C++. I've just been half-ass learning Python for a long time now. So that seems like it's kind of more in demand for jobs than like Java or C++. B is paper. Okay, scissors beats paper. Z is my scissors. Score plus equal 6 plus 3. ZZZ, thank you for the follow.
I've completed the challenge. Starting 15-minute timer.
Last, I just entered my answer and so close.
This is a draw.
Okay.
Otherwise, I just get 1 for rock. It's equal to C. Oh wait, I don't need elf, I just need else. Ah! So wait, I did scissors. So then rock is a win, rock is X. Z is a tie. scissors is 2. 3, scissors is 3. Otherwise, I chose Y, which is 2. Wait, what was my number? 9209. Too high. Bruh. I'm amazed it actually ran on the first try. Wait, so A is rock. Paper beats rock, so it gets 6 points. Plus 2 for paper. X
Done.
is rock. Tie 3 plus 1.
Nice job. 12 minutes,
Yeah.
50 seconds remaining.
I got mixed up on index spaghetti.
Scissors, that's just
And that
plus
takes
3.
third again. I was split seconds behind you. Like it's so close. Good job. Well done. There's the proof on stream, so you can see the right answer. Okay.
Paper. Scissors, 6 plus 3. Three plus 3. They chose scissors. So if I chose rock, 6 plus 1. I don't, why is this wrong? No, I'm not, Naman. I don't know why you would write such a long essay when I'm, like, busy and clearly stressed out with something. EFA. That would be a lot easier. It's supposed to be self-solved, I guess. Yeah. Like, we didn't say it wrong, but I think, like, you can give, like, little hints, like, telling me how to do an else if is fine. But, you're not supposed to just, like, hand me the solution. Oh, wait, there must be an error here. I appreciate it, though. Z or Y? Y is paper. Paper should be 2. 9177. Done.
Well, good
Nice.
job, Don. Well done.
10 more minutes.
10 more minutes. Awesome.
Dude, I'm getting wrecked. This is not good. I think it's just down to Slim now. Hey, Art, I'm doing good. How about you? And the fun of this is that a competition is supposed to come from our own brains. Okay, what's been going on? I missed a lot of the Twitch chat here. Cut in a few years, yeah. Fellow math nerds like everyone should check out Fortune's algorithm if you don't know it. Spend a few months coding visualization of it in undergrad. Such a neat solution. Ooh, I feel like I've heard of that one. No, we're not doing speed. The real crime is Twitch in light mode. I love light mode. Frig, I've been studying for the past 3 weeks for this Cal test. Oh, good luck, Art. I guess I'll keep that tab open. Wait, no, I don't need this tab. Go away, tab. What's Zach doing? He's improving his code. How does one win? So Zach has a spreadsheet with the scores. We're doing it where like we all work on the same problem at the same time. First place gets 15 points, second place gets like 12 points, third place gets 10 or something, and so on like that. And so the person with the most points will win. Shouldn't they be sunglasses? No, these are prescription. Solving a definite integral. It's using tic-tac-toe method. Oh, I haven't heard it called that, but yeah. No, I just don't tan. And so, Jesse, I've come in fourth twice in a row now. It's not looking good for me. I think Phobos has come in first twice. I think it's been Phobos, Fizbuzz, Zach, me, and then Slim for both of the rounds so far. Because right now I think we're just waiting on Slim. I mean, that would be like better programming, right? But speed is easier to measure. Oh, I see. Never mind. Or like when it's easier to measure just by who completes it first, I guess, because we do have like different hardware too, which I assume would affect it.
We have about 6 minutes left.
So I don't know if it would have even worked, but I think that the better way to do this would have been to be like make an array. Oh, like a dictionary would have been helpful. Oh, yeah, I guess we could, Jesse. That adds a lot of complexity though. Or I guess it doesn't have to be a dictionary, but like just have an array like A, B, C, and you can just use like indices to test. Like you can just talk about like do like plays dot index. Or Python returns first index of value. Yeah, so like just do like plays dot index of like line 1 of 0, and then just use that as your thing. You would have to worry about like the end of the array here, but I think that's that's like the non-stupid way of doing it compared to what I did with doing every single case separately.
We got the answer.
You probably want 2 arrays.
Did you get it?
One for the opponent,
yeah.
one for you.
Wonderful,
Yeah.
excellent, wonderful, good job,
Job.
excellent job. So everyone solved that one. Let's fill in the table. So that gives you 8 points, and you are on the board. Here's our leaderboard as it stands. We have Fizzbuzz 24, myself at 20, Dawn at 18, and Academy. Wonderful job. Just so you know, Waffle, so your place tells you how many points you get. 15, 12, 10, 9.
It's cutting out a little bit.
Okay. All right.
Zach, when we finish this, in the meantime, we are going to choose a team name. So it's not the Academy of Useless Ideas. It's going to be something like Team Awesome, or I don't know, something.
Team Awesome.
Something different.
Okay.
Something
Academy
different.
of Useless Walruses.
Yeah.
The Slim Walrus or the Walrus. I don't know. Like
We'll figure
something
something out.
Slim Walruses is so
The
good.
Academy. Oh no, the Academy of Walruses. I think that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll figure something out and let you know. But yeah.
Okay. I love it. Okay. Well, are we ready to go on to 2B? Because now we can go to part 2.
Yeah. So usually part Bs are really short to read. Do we still want 3 minutes for them?
I think for strategy purposes, it's fine.
Okay, sounds great.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let me know when I can start the timer.
When you're ready. I think we're good.
Gonna start the timer in 3, 2, 1, timer.
Okay. Oh, so we just misunderstood it. Okay. Honestly, my stupid code might have paid off for this part of it. If I did, like, I think the better way of doing it would have been, this would be more difficult. Naman, I'm sorry. The honest answer is I just don't care enough. I have other things that I need to do with my day after we're done here. Okay, so you need the round to end in a draw, so you also choose rock. Okay. So yeah, honestly, I think this is gonna be a pretty quick update. I think. I just need to change the scores. I can keep the structure of my code the exact same. All I need to do is change the value that I'm adding, I think.
We have about 50 seconds.
So what letter means what again? X lose, Y draw, Z win. Not typing. Not typing. Not yet.
"20 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's time.
Okay. So X, they play rock. For X, I lose, so I play scissors, which means I only get 3. For Y, I draw, which means I choose rock, so I get 3 points plus 1 rock point. For Z, I win, which means I choose paper, which means I get 2 for paper and 6 for win. They choose paper. So for Z, I win by choosing scissors. I get 6 for the win, 3 for choosing scissors. For Y, I need to draw, so I choose paper. So I get 3 plus 2. And then for X, I lose, so I choose rock, so I get 1. In the last case, they choose scissors. For X, I lose, so I choose paper, which means I get 0 points plus 2. For Z, I win. So I choose rock, which is 6 plus 1. Then for Y, I draw, so I choose scissors, which is 3 plus 3. Done. Oof.
Good shit.
Oh my god. I needed that first place desperately. Dude, it was a good thing that I did it terribly. Like, it really helped that I did it case by case for this. Ugh. Now I get to actually see how like other people are doing it. So Zach, he's enumerating all the outcomes in an array. Interesting. There's 9 of them, right? So that's not that bad. Check in with Phobos. Pre-rolls. Well, I'm not complaining about the ads because I have pre-rolls on my stream too, but just want to peep some code.
And done. Okay.
We have 15 minutes going.
My computer cannot handle having this many tabs open. Isabel's about to submit something, it looks like. Oh wait. Okay, it makes me happy to see Phobos was also just going through every single case manually. What was Fizzbuzz doing? I think Fizzbuzz is doing it the smart way. Yeah, that looks like a... My cursor keeps disappearing. There we go. Looks like he's doing a dictionary right there. which I think is the proper way.
Versus system.
Well done.
Ooh.
Well done. That is excellent. Looks like Waffle and Slim.
I'm throwing. I keep
You're-
getting messed up.
You're throwing?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I'm watching you and Phobos now. So I'm trying to, I'm going to do some live.
Wait. Why are these icons in different orders? That really bugs me. I wish I didn't notice that. Are they all in different orders? Oh no, that's in a third order. Oh my, well wait, oh it always shows the streamer first. Okay, that makes makes sense. Pattern recognition goes crazy. Yeah. That's a type of small thing that just can really bug me sometimes, but now that I understand that it shows like the primary streamer first, then that makes sense. If it was just random, it would really bug me though. Oh, is Slim just putting everything into the same file? It's kind of the Chad way of doing it. Actually, he might have to do it like that if
I have achieved an answer.
Waffle's collaborating.
Just finished.
That
So
was
done.
stupid.
What tripped you up?
Oh, just I had minimal cases in my first round, so I started with that code, and like I was like, yeah, I just remap these cases, and I only thought about those cases, so it's just like missing like 1/3 of the cases.
Oh,
I
I
kept
did.
telling myself.
I did modulo, and I forgot modulo of negative numbers doesn't wrap around the
Oh,
positive.
oh,
'Cause
ouch.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I'll say one of the things that I did with my chat while I was waiting for this one is I did a refactor, and that refactoring saved. Like I basically made a lookup, and it saved me on this one because I was really close, and so yeah, I think that's what saved me on that.
Yeah. I definitely should have made a table because like you could just calculate these things.
Yeah. Let me go update the scores. So we've got let's see. Don took first on that one. I took the Academy of Walrus. We'll just go with that for now. I took third, and let's see. It was Fizzbuzz next, and then
No, Phobos was next.
Phobos was next, and then Fizzbuzz. Okay, so as it stands, we have Phobos in first with 39 points. Now we have a tie. Fizzbuzz and before that, Dawn has 33 now with that victory. So that puts, and Fizzbuzz and I are tied for third.
I'm in second.
And
Ooh.
Waffle is with 18. The Academy of Walrus is at 18. Anybody's game still. We've got quite a bit of programming left. So let's jump over to prompt 3.
Hold on a second. I submitted my answer, but it like seems to have forgotten that. So I'm curious if
I need to close
messed it up.
some of these tabs. My computer is
Oh,
I don't know.
I had it. Okay. No, it's
not
fine.
happy.
It just didn't register. Okay. I have video proof.
We trust you. I mean, it's fine.
Video
This is
proof.
this is
I swear.
we need to. Yeah, you have to actually. I've been dragging my success screen over for the chat to see so that they can. But we trust you.
Thank you.
Okay. So we're moving on to prompt number 3, and welcome on in. Thank you for joining us, Jeroni. Welcome on in. We are doing a programming competition. We have the Academy of Walrus, Dawn Factorial, myself, Phobos, and Fizz, and everyone has chosen their own favorite language. And we have a pretty neck and neck game. The next prompt could change everything. Anything can happen, right? If you want to, you can. I've been having people general chat. I think we could do this all. Post your solutions if you're doing it along. We are doing the 2022 problem sets from the Academy, from the what's it called? The Advent of Code. If you want to learn more about the follow along and maybe problems with us, come check this out. Okay, I'm excited for this next one. I have not got it yet. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready to go. I'll do a countdown to the 3-minute reading time. All right, 3-minute reading time starts in 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, first half.
Okay, so the first half. Yeah. Okay. Easy FA. Oh, yeah. I'll add you to this Discord call and we can put you on the scoreboard too. So wait, what am I supposed to do with this information? Teach them a thing or two. So yeah, P and P.
Okay, priorities.
The sum of the priorities.
You are not muted, by the way.
I was gonna say you're not muted.
Oh, sorry about that.
Double checking. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
45 seconds.
I wish I remember how characters work. I think this is reverse. Aren't the capital letters the earlier ones in like ASCII? So they each only share one thing, it seems. They don't give an example where two things are shared. Python sets. Sets are really good for this, I think. The alphabet constant. I think I can...
3, 2, 1. It's go time.
I need to look up how sets work, but I think set operations are what we want here. Oh wait, maybe they're already... I assume they're all an even number of characters. Ooh, string slicing. 0 colon. Is it len in Python? It's gonna... Isn't the 0 unnecessary? Maybe? Oh wait, no, Python is stupid. Isn't it len? Len like that? Disgusting. No? Slice indices must be integers. Are you not an integer? Surely these have to all be an even number of characters. No, okay, yeah. Does this count? 18 selected. 40, 22. So these are all even numbers. No, not .len. And the very first one is getting 3. How? Oh, well, there's your problem. I'm reading the wrong file. Did I save that? So I'm still getting bad things. Length being a function is the worst thing. 24. Yeah, so what's your problem? It's because of that? Pretty sure I'm doing this right. I don't think I need that. Oh, wait. Oh, this is... Oh, you know what it is? It's that. Stupid. It can't just know to convert that type. Okay, so this give me the thing that I expect. $18. Why is that for some other string? Oh, because this is for set 1. I expected this. What? Is it unordered? I think it's changing the order, but I think that's okay. Question mark? This was the entire reason why I wanted to use sets. That line there.
Okay, done.
Ah, FizzBuzz.
15 minutes on the clock.
Okay, so for lowercase letters, one through 26. Let me just make sure that's actually working. Good. Um. Oh shoot! I'm sorry. I was showing the wrong window. Uppercase characters start at 65. We need to get them down to 27. 65 minus 27. 38. Why are you angry with me? Oh, too high. Hmm. I'm concerned I'm not doing this part right. Or this part.
So Team Academy Walrus got it. Got the answer.
Well done.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah. So. All right.
Okay. That's because translated. Wait, why is it different? That's not the answer I got before.
I'm taking a tiny break. I'll be right back.
So S got sent to
Phobos
45.
has achieved solution. Am I the last one?
Well done. Excellent.
I'm
job.
still working.
I'm still working.
Um. I think I was just doing... That needs to be 39 instead. I don't know. Fuck. Between 7 and 8,000. Why did that change? Why is this changing? Lowercase g becomes 7. Is that proper? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's good. Uppercase example. That's a lowercase w. Uppercase P. It's a little too in the middle of the alphabet. Okay. Z, Y, X.
There's about 6.5 minutes left.
W, V. 5 before the last. The last is 52. Wait, so V is 47. T, U, V, W, X, W, X, Y, and Z. It does feel like it's off. What? How's it giving me different answers every time? It doesn't... Oh. I don't know set operations. Ah. Why? Why would you be empty? Softball, that sounds like a great idea. Uh... This must be bad if I'm getting the empty. I'm getting an empty set. I'm looking up how to find the size of a set. When? Oh, it's because of oh my god. This slicing thing. One is inclusive, one is exclusive. Is that it? Yeah, the first one is inclusive. The second one is exclusive. So why doesn't... Shouldn't this be working? Like this. Why is it sometimes one longer than the other?
We have about 1 minute on the clock.
I really don't know. This should just work. It's the right answer for someone else? That's funny. I seriously, like, this is so weird.
Got it. Got it at the buzzer.
Yeah, there's 10 seconds remaining.
Oh my goodness. Yes.
5,
Oh.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
That was close. That was so close. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Good job.
Well done. Okay, that was something else. Off by one bug, as my programming teacher in high school used to say. Oh, Bob.
Yeah, this one's pretty fun.
They have a minimum 60. So if you've watched my stream, I don't know if you were seeing it, but like people were, I entered an answer. I copied and pasted, and I was trying out. I fixed my error, and I typed in the wrong thing, and it has a mandatory second thing. And no, don't do this to me. Oh, well, we think we got it. No, we did. Let's update the tally. How you doing, Don?
I am suffering with string slicing. That's the only issue with my code right now.
That honestly, that was the same for me. I feel that deeply. Okay, so that puts me with 9. It was, let's see, the Academy of Walrus took 3rd, right? I think. Or did they take 2nd? I don't remember. How did everybody do? I need to be. How did everybody do?
Oh my goodness, I forgot who got it before me.
It was
Yeah.
me.
It was you, Fizzbuzz. So 15
Fizzbuzz,
points to you, and then it was Phobos, and then
Hey,
it was the
underscore.
Academy of, if I'm not mistaken.
Hope you're doing
Yeah.
well.
Okay, cool. So Phobos gets 12, Fizzbuzz gets 15. I get 9. Academy of Walrus gets 10. And doesn't get any points for this one. However, let's go over the scores. We've got Phobos with 51 first, Fizzbuzz at 47, and myself at 41, Don at 33, and Academy of Walrus at 28. Again, it is still, we still got quite a bit left. I don't think we can do 3B because we have 3. I think we jumped to number 4. Right?
How close are you, Don?
Are you done? Are you close? I can come over to your screen and figure out how you're.
I think I would get the answer if I could just figure out how to cut a string in half into
So
into
we
pieces
can
that are
help with
actually
that.
equal.
I was gonna say we can help with that. The way I did it is I just took the string length divided by 2 and did a sub of that. And so like take your length, whatever your length function is.
That's what I'm doing.
So-
I've been getting 2 unequal halves this entire time though. It's not even
Goodness, I'm
consistently.
about-
You're off by. Can you add 1 to the index?
Yeah,
Let's
See
see.
you down.
yeah.
I'm looking at your screen.
I-
Yeah, I see the 1 off by 1. Yeah, I was having this honestly.
Oh, use / instead of slash.
Integer division. Yeah.
And no +1.
Jed has a line that might help as well.
How do you know there's no duplicates in that set, Don? So your sets are different lengths, but are the lines different lengths?
Oh, I just assumed from the oh, okay, no, I just did it wrong. I'm not close. Okay.
But are you close though? Is that the answer? Have you tried putting it in?
Because you could try it and
Ooh. Oh, just the number I'm getting here?
Oh, right. You're just printing out some debug stuff if they're not equal. Okay.
Oh yeah, the number at the end, it would be my answer, but I guess let's see. Maybe I'm some of it was just
try it. It
debug.
doesn't hurt.
Oh, okay. I got it right.
I got it right. There you go.
Nice.
Very good.
I was comparing the sets and not the strings. Okay,
Oh,
I was going crazy for no reason.
yeah. It's
Oh my
this
goodness.
is the way. The off by 1 thing was driving me crazy the whole time. I had assumed that I had been cutting things in half, and they were only slightly in half. So it looked in half,
Mostly half.
mostly half. There's a big difference between mostly half and all half. Mostly half is slightly more, right?
What about all half? All half or some half? Why is
That's
some
right.
half not all half? It's a question we all ask ourselves.
I know we need to know the answer to this.
Yeah, we need pragmatism to solve this for us.
All right, so how's everybody feeling? Are we good for one more? You want to go?
I'm good for one more. 3B sounds great.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
Yep, sounds good to me.
Okay,
All right.
so this may determine our victor here. It is still close. Let's do our reading time, shall we?
So reading time begins in 3, 2, 1. Read it.
Wait. What? Okay. Okay, so now, God, I'm so fucking mad at myself. Uh, so now we're taking the entire line. We're no longer splitting lines in half. Thank God. Apparently I can't do that to save my life.
Yeah, 1 minute remaining.
Blame it on Python. I definitely can't blame the union versus intersection issue on Python. that was all me. I think I only need to do... It's a pretty minor modification to my... Ooh, I have to... I'm gonna have to add everything into a list and then go through
We have
that
8
list.
seconds
On
left.
Cantor then, there we go.
3, 2, 1. All right, time to solve.
Okay, so... You go somewhere else. Was it Shift Tab? Yeah. Um... We have 300 lines. Good, so it's visible by 3. How am I stepping through this? 3 lines at a time?
Done.
Damn. Good Fizzbuzz go. guess like this.
I can start the 15-minute thing.
Yeah, please start it.
Sounds great. Yep.
Too low.
And I got it. 2668 for me. I mean, not that that doesn't help you at all, but
Nice.
Wait, is the dot pop in the wrong place now? I don't think it is, but just in case. No. About comp 1 to 3? I'm definitely doing something stupid here. I'm not stepping through my array correctly. It's not working in my brain. Done.
well done, Don.
I think I just got second. I don't remember to be honest. Whew. The sets do make it pretty easy if you Oh, I got third because Zach was done. Where are things sitting right now? Ooh, man. I'm getting at best third place right now. Probably fourth place once Phobos finishes. That one, that last one just killed me. Getting 0 points. Hey, Mouse. The scores are right there on the screen. Right now, Fizzbuzz is in the lead, but Phobos might catch up once she completes it. MNN Moo, thank you for the follow. Oh yeah, sure, Jed.
And we still have about 10 minutes left.
Peach Tea, did you have something else to say about comp 1 through 3? Because the issue was just with how I was with my range, I think. And I already turned in my answer, so it's not cheating to get help. Oh, and... Oh, okay, Peach Tea. Does the single ampersand, is that like bitwise? I'm used to that being like a bitwise and. Does that have the desired result?
Phobos has achieved an answer. Oh my god.
For sets, it's the same. Oh, that's it. That's good to know.
Congrats to you, Phobos.
Yeah, I guess it's defined differently for sets. Actually, I bet the actual documentation will have it.
The Academy of Walruses is done.
Yeah, well, it was? Oh, I see.
yeah.
Okay. Looks like everybody finished. Congratulations to all for finishing that prompt. And let's take a look at the scores, unless we're going on. But here, supposed final score we have in fifth place, 6, we have the Academy of Well Done. In fourth, we have Don Factorial. Excellent work. Myself comes in third, 53. And then Phobos and Fizzbuzz, you close call, but
Yeah, for sure.
Fizzbuzz,
Good.
Fizzbuzz was 62. Excellent work,
Oof.
everyone.
So close.
And what's interesting about the scores here, we have 2 victories for Phobos,
Comes
2
fourth.
victories for Fizzbuzz, 1 for Dawn. So you both had equal first place.
Yeah, it's just the meta game.
It's the meta game, right? good work, and I think you and me lost you the first there, Phobos. It was so close.
For sure.
Well done, though. This is good. This was fun. I really like this.
Sure was.
Yeah,
and
GG.
tough.
Yeah, GG's to everybody. And I think this. I'm open to again. This is a good way to spend 3 hours with good friends.
For sure.
Yeah, this was super fun.
Like that.
I was
okay.
I was worried Phobos was gonna run away with all the points.
I was worried too at the beginning. I started getting scared. We had this. It was that next prompt that shook things up a bit.
Oh yeah, I do have a confession to make. Just something I thought was funny. On the first part of 3, I lost a lot of time because I was accidentally using union instead of intersection.
Oh yeah.
And so yeah, so someone in the chat put a comment about that and might have confused someone else, but
Oh.
yeah.
No worries.
I looked up the documentation for intersection, and it turns out the documentation page I wound up on was some like 2024 feature that wasn't in the runtime I was using.
Oh no.
Oh, weird.
my God.
No.
Oh,
So I
So-
was like, why
oh,
isn't this function found?
So are you running an older version? Are you, I assume you're using
Well,
Node.js, right?
yeah, I'm using Node, and so this is, I don't know, it's not unusual for it to be a little old.
Yeah.
and for me,
19.
trying to do Rust and get everything like the type system to be happy with what I'm doing was so annoying. I had to
I-
write and rewrite and rewrite.
I'm looking at some of the code
Hey,
here.
Reaper.
Like I'm
Hope you're
not
doing well.
familiar enough with Rust to know. I'm just looking at your stream right now, but it looks very C-like.
Oh yeah. Just
and,
figuring out the right kind of borrows. I have to borrow here and then like dereference manually here because like I don't know the function name that does that. Ah,
Real men
Now,
code
just
in
to be
C.
clear, is that MUT? Is that a mutex?
no, it's mutable. So you have to
Mutable.
declare your variables as
Okay.
mutable.
I was thinking, are you doing like concurrency stuff right now? I don't think these require concurrency, but it's like,
Yeah.
well, okay.
No, not this time. Maybe next time.
Okay, that's just my ignorance on Rust. I don't know. As I was looking at the Academy of Walrus and FizzBuzz, I can read. It was in John and Don. This was interesting to watch when I had time. What the heck's going on? I don't know Rust as well, but well
Neither
done.
do I. And you can still compete in it. So there you go.
You can't. Well, there you go. We have proven that even if you don't, you can still compete. You actually did quite well for your. Impressive.
I'm a fan of the machine code idea. That'd be funny.
The machine, right? Someday wouldn't that be something? My goodness. Real grandfather's code and assembly doc. Okay. Bonus points for pointers, yeah. 42 views, record breaking. Actually, I've seen some crazy. Didn't you? Or did I just cut out?
All right,
You did cut out for a second.
Yeah, sorry.
Zach, by the way, again, Wolfers needs to leave, and so I assume we are finishing soon. But
We are.
can you put a shout out on your channel, which is on the shared chat on her channel? Since I mean, you got it, all of us, but I'm not sure if you got a shout out for her.
Oh, sure, yes. And I have to remember, is it
Yeah, we can do that too.
WAIRUS? Is it the?
Yeah.
I have to remember how that. Yeah, yours has the interesting spelling. So, because I know you couldn't get the other, but I hope you had fun.
I sure did.
Thank you for organizing.
Well, thank you for being here. It's not any fun without anybody else. So I could do this myself, but it's all you all made this. And like as was mentioned, Dessen was saying, this is a record. I had a crazy raid that was really big. I don't think it's the record, but it's up there.
Yeah, the next time we do this, random languages. Roulette language.
In some ways I like that because these aren't that, they aren't too bad, but it would be a challenge to try and do this truly foreign language.
In some ways, I like this. This is what I say at family reunion dinners when someone brings over an interesting dish that's maybe not the best. In some ways, I like this dish. No, it does. It sounds like a challenge for sure.
I'd be interested in it. We'll have to organize this for when the December 2025, when the true advent for 2025 happens. Maybe something to give a shot at.
Yeah, we could pool the problems for the week and try them on some weekend or something.
That's right.
I usually like to do the advent of code though, live. So,
or maybe we can just take this year's 2022. But good game to everybody. Thank you all for stopping by. You're welcome to go when you want. If you want to, or if you want to go and do that, do as you wish.
Is anyone
pressure at
going to
all.
keep streaming, or should we look for a raid?
Oh yeah, look for it. I'm gonna stop streaming and do other stuff, but
Cool.
happy to just drop a raid in somewhere.
Wherever you want to take it, go ahead and raid whoever you want, and we'll find a raid target eventually. It'll be the problem of whoever goes last.
Oh hell yeah!
You don't have to worry about it if you end. So
Polynomial Possum is streaming speedrunning algebra.
okay.
Do you
I'll
know
keep that.
Polynomial Possum?
I have heard of this streamer. I do not know much more. Polynomial Possum is. But how many people? Okay. Well, thank you all so much, Megalomorph and chat and everyone else knows. I'm gonna go right over. Let's do this. I'm gonna go right over to Dawn. It's your problem now.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm rating to Dawn. Go say hi to Dawn. Dawn, you make your decision on what. Thanks for stopping by. I will be back. Shout out your. And Wednesday's math and Saturday's math as well. Dawn?
All right. Don, I will also rate you then because I want to say goodbye to everyone and all that. Then after that, I'll rate you. All right.
Sounds good.
Is Don collecting everyone? Am I rating Don?
I am.
I guess I am.
You
can rate whoever you want, but
I just rated Dawn, so
I'll keep going for a little bit. There's something that I wanted to read through.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
All right, Don.
Don, is there any like shared Excalibur stuff we could do? I'm itching for more math derivations.
Absolutely, we can figure something out. What I was planning to do was a chatter named Jess who just had a paper published, and I wanted to kind of at least give it a look. If you want, we could do that together, or we could figure out another thing.
Oh, cool. Yeah, no, that sounds fun.
Okay. Thank you for the raid, Zach.
No problem.
Thank you, Phobos.
Yep, see you later.
You're welcome, Don. Have a glorious day.
You too?
And I'm going to duck out. I've got some other stuff to do, but it's been so fun. We'll have to do something like this again. I'm excited.
Indeed.
Awesome.
Thanks for organizing again.
Yep. Later days.
See ya.
Bye.
Actually,
All right.
I'm gonna raid over to you too, but I'll stay in voice.
Up to you. I'm just gonna need a second to like
Yeah,
I guess
for sure.
I'm gonna raid over anyway. I guess I'll just turn off the stream together entirely. Okay, because he ducked out. I get it. Reading a math paper, random stuff. Oh, okay. Welcome in, everyone who got rated over. Thank you for the raid, Fizzbuzz.
Oh, of course, anytime.
Yeah. I just have a Minesweeper come in, so I'll do that quickly. But I've seen her name around, but Jasu posted this in my Discord, and I was interested to read it. I'll send you the link in case you don't see it.
Cool.
What is it even about? Fast user-friendly semi-automated all-item force field converter for... Oh, that sounds fancy. I don't know if I'll understand it, but I'm curious to see what it's at least about. And Aquanol, thank you for the follow.
And explode.
It's a very high chance. There we go. First try, actually.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, same Meg. I just deal with losing a lot. I should change the YouTube title too. Just do that. And then I'll be ready to actually read this. Oh yeah, is Jasu's still here, I wonder? Naman, yeah, Twitch is a bit more active. Okay. So let's see what's up with Jasu's paper here.
Oof. Actually, yeah, I think I have to go get some water.
Okay.
Not I've been hunched over in my chair too long.
No worries.
Sorry, I'll be around in chat.
Okay, sounds good.
See ya.
See ya. Okay, I guess it'll just be me then. That's in quick math. 27 plus 57 plus my age, 28. 84 plus... No, not 84. Yes, 84 plus 28. Can't do math, dude. I just programmed for 2.5 hours. 84 plus 28. 100. 12. Hey, I did it. Okay. Read program to factor my age now that I can do it by hand. Okay, I guess I should take a minute and say thanks so much everyone for watching this, Tofu for rating Zach and indirectly me, but also for following me. Then the raids from Zach, Phobos, Fizzbuzz, and Slim. Thank you all so much for doing this. And in case anyone here doesn't know, there's a whole niche of us Smash streamers here on Twitch. Sorry, I've been a little overwhelmed and stressed for the entire stream, so I haven't been like very on it, but yeah. It's a really awesome community here in case there is anyone here who's still new. So-called mass streamer. People born in 1998 or 27. Yeah, I was born in 97. I should actually take a page out of Fizzbuzz's book and drink some water. 1 second. For the fun of those watching the stream, you should take a large drink of vodka instead. Ugh. That's true. Yeah, Dessen, I should promote Alejandro more. I hesitated to do it because I've rated him, but before, and I was trying to like tell the people in chat that it's important to like don't speak English in his chat. It's a Spanish language stream, or just use emotes or something. But people were still kind of speaking in English, and it just felt I just kind of felt bad about it because Alejandro said that he's not comfortable speaking English too much. And so I've been a little bit like hesitant to like send people from my end over to him, but I would love to promote him more. That's the only reason why I've been hesitant. So if I see someone who is Spanish speaking, I try to remember to like shout him out, but I just felt bad about sending over like English speakers. I should get some music going since I'm not in voice anymore. What music? Yeah, so at least what I've heard, Alejandro's English is like pretty good too, but I just want to respect like how he has his stream set up. No, Andres Chavez is a different person. He found me through a DayZ raid. So this is a paper that Jasu wrote. She posted it in the Discord, so I'm assuming it's okay to show it on stream here. And because Jasu is a regular around here, I just wanted to give it a little look-see and see what it's about. I'm not sure that I'll be able to understand it, but application note presents GMX FFconf command line tool developed to facilitate convergences between all atom force fields within GROMACS. What is GROMACS? It's a library? Wow. Okay. Force field conversions use a time-consuming, error-prone process. Reordering. Huh, that's cool. So Jesse wrote a tool to improve how we simulate atom force fields. I don't know, what is the force field of an atom? I see this is a literal like field, like an electric field. Hey, not NRN. Welcome in. To Dirac equation? Maybe. If I Google atom force field. Oh, it's Naman. Okay, nice. It's a chemistry thing. That would make sense. Okay, so these are potentials. I sort of understand what this is. I'm not sure I really do. Oh, really? Dr. L? Okay. Yeah, I remember Jessica said that her work is in like it's like math, physics, and chemistry all the same time. And I think she's even done some like biology things too. Okay, I know. I was kind of curious to see what it's about. This is pretty cool. Although Considering I had to Google like half the stuff in the abstract, I'm not sure I'm gonna understand if I try to read through the entire thing here. Biological cells have a lot of atoms. Way too many to use quantum mechanical approaches. Interesting. Okay. So I don't know if I want to stream for like a super long time, but there is something else that's on my mind that I kind of want to get done. Drift velocity? Barely anything, I think. Let me, close out of VS Code. Bring this up. A velocity that drifts. The last time I streamed math, I was in a battle with Schrodinger in his equation. And I want to finish that battle. Honestly, no, I don't, Naman. Like, I technically, like, learned a little bit about it once, but I really don't remember anything about it. Where's my file with this? Where would I have saved this? Probably... Aha! Oh, I should unpin that comment, right? Get that all the time. Ugh. Ah. Okay, now working with my mic where it won't be in the way. So how much progress did I make on this? Wait, that's not it. Oh, wait. I forgot. This is annoying. Okay, so I found the general solution. But they want me to find the greens function. Hey, Kane. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Yep. No, man, I'm sure I could learn it. I just can't really, like... If you asked me a question about it right now, I would Google it and repeat an explanation from Google to you. And you can do that. You can just Google it yourself and read it. So I don't think that's really helpful. Dom GPT? Mm-hmm. So I think what we're going to do... I really don't understand what exactly they're doing with this, but we're gonna take hx to be the direct delta function. Get rid of these. Oh yeah, no, that makes it a little harder. Any Green's functions for the non-relativistic Schrodinger equation in chat? Think I'm too out of shape to be acute. Life goals. Yeah, you know, thank God this is the free Schrodinger equation. If I had to pay to use this equation, I'm not sure I would. I think you're cute anyway. Best known pioneer in the freemium model of physics. Like, would like a Fourier or the Laplace transform be considered like a skin cosmetic? It's the same equation, it just looks a little bit different. Okay, this is a really stupid function, but I hope it's the one that we're supposed to get. I think this is this a Green's this is my Green's function theoretically. So maybe I should make that a capital G. That's what I'm alleging to be a Green's function. And so it's Gaussian. Gaussian's like the duct tape of quantum mechanics. It should be fine. Wait, so and using superposition. So the general function. Yeah, I don't know why Gaussians come up, but they seem to a good bit. Yeah, Kane, there aren't that many math streamers. So in case this is your first time in a math stream, there is a little niche of us. It's growing, but it's not very big. Even this category, I think, is not intended for math in the way that we're doing it. I think there's a game called Math that we've just co-opted the category for. But yeah, so you actually just missed it. Me and 5 other math streamers were having a coding competition. And so we were just all on like a Discord call and hanging out and like writing code. Nothing I studied to Gaussian. Oh, this is a different thing that Gauss did. Gauss's law is a separate idea. Gaussian function is huge in probability. I guess that makes sense, yeah. And so I think the superposition thing is going to be our initial condition with the Green's function convoluted. Dx? D zeta? What? Ooh. Zeta. I don't really understand what I'm doing here. I'm hoping if I solve a problem like this enough times, it'll eventually sink in. But I don't really understand how this book is solving this. Okay, so Papadoria. I'm sorry, that looks really terrible. My plan today was just to finish up with this one problem, then turn the stream off. That problem looks really complicated. Yeah, Pradeep, I just turned that on the other day because half the people who come here on YouTube are assholes, and I'm trying to filter them out. As far as I can tell, physicists can't actually solve the Schrodinger equation. Haha, they just linearize and manage to crank out solutions for a handful of toy particle systems. That makes sense. I mean, most interesting differential equations, you can't actually solve them. What part of physics is this related to? What do I need to study to understand what's on screen right now? So I'm actually, I don't know the physics behind this. It's something with quantum something. So some part of quantum physics. I'm taking this from a math book though, so I don't know what this actually means. I'm just doing the mathematical exercise of solving it. Kane, I don't know. I think I've allegedly gotten it. But they don't give us what the answer is supposed to be, so I'm just hoping that I did it right. We're about to do it a different way, the same problem with a different technique. So hopefully get an answer that matches. This is the Laplace transform here. Yeah, that's true, Dr. Hill. Shoot. Yeah, Papadoria. That was just a little too much. How do you know what you're doing? It's just years of studying. There's not really a way to quickly get up to speed with this, to be honest. Okay, so we're gonna do a Laplace transform. So it seems like the pattern is you do Fourier transforms on space, Laplace transforms on time. So we'll do the Laplace transform on time. I think like that. Pretty. I'm just studying for grad school. So this is a non-homogeneous second-order differential equation. It's kind of annoying. Wait, but we... What are you doing there, S? So people learn on the streets, that people learn in school. Don was born with it. Yeah, I just came out of the womb knowing complex analysis. Wait, so... If I just had this differential equation... How would I solve that? Because that's basically what I have right now. It's the variable here that makes life worse. Oh wait, no. The differential equation is an x. I thought this s was a variable. It is a variable, but it's not a variable for the differential equation. That makes it easier. I do a little bit of coding, pretty, but not much. Okay, so I guess we have to separate it. I don't know what CF means. International programming competition. Is that international? I guess Slim is, yeah, okay. Because Slim was there, it counts as international. Code forces? No, I don't use code forces. I've pulled prompts from like Project Euler and stuff. Or advent of code. Okay, so I can integrate each side once in x here. plus some constant in x. Wait. How does this work? Why is this breaking my mind so much? I think you should be introduced to it with heuristics. Then you should do some practice problems. Then you should learn the theory. That's at least what works for me personally. I don't think there's really a universal answer that works for everyone, though, to be honest. Dude, this is... the Laplace way is so much more annoying so far. Differential equation... Okay. We're not doing that. We're also not doing that. Hey Lucas, yesterday we had a class project where each of us had to spell our names individually out with function without using easy stuff. Spell your names with functions? Oh, like you have to make like the shape of the letters? That sounds kind of annoying, to be honest. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this the old-fashioned way. Let's get the homogeneous and particular solutions. Low-key fun? Okay. What's the square root of I? Oh, but oh, that's stupid. There's do I have to worry about branch cuts with that? Wouldn't heuristics make more sense in general because it makes theory actually make sense? Yeah, I think heuristics are really important. They are for me, at least. So, I'm actually having to do integrals from infinity to infinity for Laplace and Fourier transforms. So this is this is the Fourier transform right here, and that's the reverse of the Fourier transform. And these are helpful for solving differential equations. That's what I'm doing right now. They're also really helpful in probability. It's French, so I'm sure I'm not saying it correctly, but his name is Fourier. Yeah, Dr. Elba, that's the play right there. I was just worried about having two different, like, about like branch cuts, I guess. I don't know if I'd be introducing any. But yeah, so Lucas, so that's one place where integrals to infinity are helpful. They're also really helpful in probability, because in probability you have like functions that represent probabilities. The most common one people have seen is the bell curve, like that. And you always want probabilities to add up to 1, and so you actually do the integral from minus infinity to infinity of the bell curve, and you need to make sure that equals 1. Yeah, normal distribution is another word. And hey, this is a pi over 4, and we had a pi over 4. So maybe it's a good thing that we're doing this. Fair enough. Noan? The plus minus function with regular Riemann integration? What is the plus minus function? Like sine of x? Like SGN? Finding anything that feels very satisfying? Yeah. So the particular solution is some the homogeneous solution, some constant in x oh, we're getting e to the e. That's kind of terrible. Wait, I'm doing this. I'm that I hate that. Hot BS. Yeah, I think it's way more fun to do math on stream. So that's the homogeneous solution, as ugly as it is. The particular solution, I need Paul. Paul? We just have a constant. Do we just guess a constant particular solution? No. Hey, Syntax, how's it going? Oh, Papadoria, I see what you just posted. So Papadoria's question is if we can integrate this with Riemann integration. And yeah, you can. You would express it as an infinite sum of Riemann integrals. It's gonna diverge, I think. But what you do is you make a summation of integrals, and each term of the summation would cover each like piece of the function. You can definitely express this with Riemann integrals though. Uni has been a breeze thus far. Might be the first semester. Yeah. It'll probably heat up the longer you stay in it. That happens when I change G. Oh, it gets more dense, I guess. Like a little bit like thinner. Oh, you want when G goes to infinity. Okay. Yeah, if G is actually going to infinity, you probably do need Lebesgue. If these just become points. For any like finite G, you can do Riemann, but for infinite G, you probably need Lebesgue. And it's going to depend on like, you're probably going to still get something that's diverging, I bet. It's either going to be 0 or diverging, I guess. Yeah, I don't know how Lebesgue integration works. My professor uses different notations to the fucking book he wrote. What a guy. Any other well, actually, I take that back. I think you could Riemann integrate this. They would just all be 0 if they're individual points. Which is uninteresting. But I think this is kind of what Lebesgue was made for. I couldn't even name a third type of integral besides Lebesgue and Riemann, to be honest. So I can't think of another one, at least. Yeah, we're talking about a case where Riemann sums aren't helpful, or yeah, where they kind of like fail. Oh yeah, the particular solution is definitely just it is just a constant. Yeah, like because one of the things that the Lebesgue integral does, or like one of the things it was like made for, was what's that one function called? The one that's 1 for rationals and or 1 for irrationals and 0 for rationals. What's that function called? Dirichlet, thank you. The reason I'm saying it looks like Lebesgue is because the Dirichlet function is an example of a function that a Riemann integral would just give you 0. I think it's still allowed to do a Riemann integral. It's just not meaningful. But the Lebesgue integral gives you 1, and that does have meaning. And so this is I say this because this is a function where every single point is isolated. So there's like no width for the intervals. And so your function is also like becoming just individual points, and that's what's making me say it's probably a Lebesgue problem. You run integral functions x like the ones which are most ever continuous and bounded. Yeah. Actually, I guess it's not Riemann integrable because you can never define. You can never get enough integrals. There's uncountably infinite many Riemann integrals you would need to cover this entire domain. So you can never like enumerate them, I guess. Maybe that's why it's not integrable. Riemann integrable. Oh, I do know about Darboux integrals. That's kind of lame, though. If you want syntax, I'm kind of just trying to work through this one differential equation and turn the stream off. But if you want to ask a question, at least like see what it is. There isn't a Q. Oh, it's solving it's a PDE. Solving that with Laplace transforms. I did it with Fourier, allegedly. I haven't checked the answer. And part B is to do it with Laplace. Like Cantor's tag argument before the rectangular strips and integrating. Yeah, PhD, exactly. Yeah, Papadori, Darboux integrals are still basically Riemann integrals. I'm not sure if they'll be what you really want, but they do have actual meaning there still, I guess. Or they don't just like break, at least. Let R and S be relations in X if R sub S. Prove if R sub S, if R is a subset of S, then R inverse is a subset of S inverse. What does it mean for them to be relations? Zach, I'm stuck. I guess I'm not stuck. Okay, so when I guess let's think about syntax errors question first, and then I'll. Go back to Schrodinger's equation. I'm confused by the phrasing of be relations in X. Is the yeah, my mind went to equivalence relation at first, but I'm not sure if it is. Set R is a relation from A to B if R is a subset of the Cartesian product. Okay, yeah. And X just means R sub X. Okay, that makes... Okay. That makes sense. So R and S are sets of tuples. And those tuples are elements of X. Like, or the individual elements of those tuples are elements of X. No worries. So then if R is a subset of S, then R inverse is a subset of S inverse. Yeah, Zach, I'm kind of in the same boat. um. So, uh, if R is uh yeah, that's okay. That's what I was trying to say, Slim. I wanted to switch the A and the B. I was just struggling with the actual notation. If AB is an R, then AB inverse is equal to BA. Using that containment should not be too hard to see. Oh, it's supposed to be subset. That was a typo that syntax made. So it's supposed to be R subset of S. R inverse subset S inverse. Yeah, I forgot to fix that. Then BA is an R inverse, right? So I guess what we want to prove is that every element of R inverse is also an element of S inverse. That's the ultimate goal. Yeah, you know, it's actually, let's just type this out rather than handwrite. I think it's like that, Naman, but it might not be exactly that. Oh, okay, nice. But the key is that A comma B is in both R and in S for any element in R. This feels kind of too simple, but it's something like you start with this and then you say something like therefore every element of R inverse is also an element of S inverse, which is the definition of a subset, right? Or imply like something like that. Like that's what I want to say. I don't know if this is right, but he has been single whole life. Welcome in. So I don't. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it should be a particularly long problem, but I don't know if this is it or not. I'm more of a tutor, but I like math. This is it? All right. It's good enough for me, I guess. I mean, I think that would be fine with the relations. Because you just have two distinct tuples, right? I assume there's not an issue with that. Yeah, I don't have a schedule, but I do stream. I try to stream a couple times a week. If you're into math streams in general, there's a whole niche of us, e to the 2 pi, and kind of useful ideas right here in chat. But there's a whole bunch of people who stream math too. It's not just me. It does feel a little sus, Dessen, but I also don't know what else to really say. Like, it's just... It seems like it shouldn't be a very long proof. It's at different times. It is tough. So unless there's a further question, I'm just gonna move on to my Schrodinger's equation. So where was I on this? So we have a second order differential equation in X, non-homogeneous. I found the homogeneous solution. It looks stupid. I hate it, but I did find it. And now I want to find the particular. Do the collect. I'm not doing that. I refunded your points. It wouldn't be that long, but like, no. I don't know what Schrodinger's equation is supposed to look like. I assume they're taking a simpler version of it because this is a math book and not a physics book. What is it supposed to be like? Okay, that... This is a lot more disgusting. Yeah, and I have rules about the quick math, about what you're allowed to ask. Yeah, there should be an H bar, right? Only one of them would cancel. Well, yeah, Zach, but there's still... There's an H bar squared there and an H bar there. It's kind of deleted the... Oh, you know what? This book did solve the heat equation with the constant equal to 1 because they're lazy. So they probably did the same thing. They just set the constant to 1. Multiply both sides by 0. There you go. What was the GIF? I didn't even look. Oh, this one here? Ooh, that's that. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Reminds me of a lamp towards the end. I do love a trivial solution. They're kind of the best. Okay, so my guess for the particular solution is going to be a constant in x, which means it's still a function of s. So we would get is times c of s is equal to I u of x 0. So then c of s is equal to 1 over s u of x 0. Okay. Then we do homogeneous plus particular. This is where it's getting even dumber. Just when you thought it couldn't get dumber, it does. I just hate that I have e to the e. And I have to do the inverse Laplace. Not, ooh. I might be able to delete one of these solutions though. So when doing with Fourier, I did delete, like, we only took the bounded solution. We deleted the unbounded one. I hate this. So I did the Laplace transform in T. It looks right to me. I just wish it wasn't right. I guess I'll push through with this, but like, when I get e to the e, I just feel like I'm doing something wrong. I am gonna delete that. Only bounded stuff here, buddy. So u hat of x 0. We do want to apply the initial condition. is equal to the Laplace transform of x. In t, though, ew. What's the Laplace transform of 1? I guess that's what we do. T? Oh, really? Oh, well, yeah, just like whatever your variable is. Oh wait, it's 1 over s. No worries. So I guess the Laplace transform of f of x with respect to t is f of x divided by s. Well, I like 1 over s times f of x. Don't ask me why. So then b of s. No worries, Zach. Enjoy your lurk. Wait. What? U of x0 is f of x. I think I'm doing something wrong. Equation of circle. It's a relation. Where do they do a Laplace example? I don't remember. Section is too dang long. Definitions hold up across chapters. That's good. Be bad if they didn't. Oh wait, they do this. Well, that seems like cheating. What? I think I need to reread this section. Yeah, I'm a little lost with what they're doing here. I don't think I can do this problem yet. I need to go through what they did with the regular heat equation. Do I prefer Laplace or Fourier? So far, I've been preferring Fourier. I really need to learn both, though. Or I want to learn both, at least. Yeah, honestly, I think I need to call it quits on this problem, for now at least. I desperately also need to pee, and I should probably just close the stream out here, to be honest, so... let's do that. Let's look for a raid. That's not the right scene. That's the right scene. So I'm gonna cut the YouTube show off here. So anyways here on YouTube, thanks for being here.